In the field of engineering machinery, the masterpiece that truly represents the combination of efficiency and durability is none other than the Rippa Group's R230 excavator. As a medium-sized crawler excavator created by the Rippa Group, the R230 has won unanimous praise from users around the world for its excellent performance, intelligent operating system, and ultimate control experience. Whether it is municipal engineering, mining operations, or agricultural and forestry transformation, the R230 can easily handle it, and it can be called an all-round weapon for multi-scenario operations. First of all, in terms of the power system, the R230 is equipped with a Cummins high-efficiency engine with strong and stable output to ensure excellent performance under high-load conditions. Its optimized fuel injection technology not only improves combustion efficiency, but also greatly reduces fuel consumption, saves energy, and is environmentally friendly, and truly achieves low cost and high return. This means that whether facing long-term continuous operations or heavy excavation tasks in harsh environments, the R230 can easily cope with it and perform with ease. The R230 is applicable to a wide range of scenarios, which is amazing. Whether you are engaged in municipal engineering, infrastructure construction, mining, farmland transformation, water conservancy projects, or pipeline laying, the R230 can handle it with ease. Its reasonable body size and flexible control performance are suitable for a variety of construction environments. Secondly, the Rippa Group implements the humanized design concept in every detail of the R230. The spacious and comfortable cockpit is equipped with a highly sensitive LCD display and a multi-function operating lever, which improves the convenience and intelligence of the overall operation. The seat is designed according to ergonomics, which can be operated for a long time without fatigue, bringing unprecedented comfort to the operator. The intelligent monitoring system equipped with the R230 is even more black technology, blessing real-time monitoring of equipment status, early warning system abnormalities, to ensure that the operation process is safer and more controllable. It is worth mentioning that the R230 also performs well in structural strength and stability. The thickened boom structure, wear-resistant bucket material, and high-strength crawler chassis fully guarantee the durability and life of the equipment in high-intensity operations. Through a large number of field conditions verification, the reliability of the R230 far exceeds that of its competitors at the same level, and it is a veritable iron-blooded warrior. Not only that, the Rippa Group also provides comprehensive after-sales service and technical support for the R230 to ensure that customers are worry-free in every link from purchase, transportation, use to maintenance. The spare parts supply responds quickly, and the technical team is online 24 hours a day, which truly achieves zero-distance service and 100% customer satisfaction. In summary, the Rippa R230 excavator is not only a construction machine, but also a reliable comrade in arms on the job site. It redefines the industry standard of medium-sized excavators with its four core advantages of high efficiency, intelligence, energy saving, and durability. If you are looking for a gold-digging tool that can really create benefits for you, R230 is definitely your best choice.